Hi everyone, I am Dr. Parvathy Jayan. My APGET 2021 rank is 90. I have completed my UG from Vaidyaratnam Ayurveda College, Hollur. Really, I am very glad and proud to be in front of you. I would like to thank the whole Drona family for making my dream come true. We all know that Drona is the most premier institution in the field of Ayurvedic studies. Drona is continuing their supremacy of long 14 years. We all know it is not at all an easy task for an institution to maintain such a position. What makes them possible is their unique way of teaching and dedication of gurus. Their way of teaching is extremely different with enjoyable classroom atmospheres. They used to teach each and every subject or each and every points with some logic and make them sharper and finer by using chords. They also give importance to smart work. They own some tricks and techniques also. Most basic and most important smart work for any competitive examination is note making. Note making really creates a difference in our whole study process. I used to make notes for each and every subject while preparing for AIAPGET. This note helps to cover the whole BAMS syllabus of 4.5 years as a whole. Maximum number of revisions are needed to crack our exam. It was made possible for me only by the help of these notes without reading the whole textbook. Moving to my way of note preparation. I used to prepare notes for each and every subject after referring Charaka Samhita, Sushruta Samhita and Ashtanga Hridaya. I used to note it as bullet points under each and every heading, instead of writing the whole so written according to their importance. My notes mainly consist of an index, a color coding system and inner space allocation. Major headings and page numbers come under index. The writing of index helped me to give an easy access to the points where needed for revision. Then different colors were used to write headings which give us a clean look to our notes. Then 3-star, 2-star topics and points were highlighted by using different colors which also give us a picture memory. Inner space were given to add extra points from class and to write questions while doing question papers. Pictures were also added while needed. Then tables were also there. For example, while writing Shalakyatantra notes, tables were there for rogas, their dosha predominance, difference in opinion of different treatments, etc. It made quite easy for me to revise these some days before exam, give a picture memory. Short notes were also prepared by including most important points which helped me to do quick revision. So I strongly recommend every AIAPGET aspirant to prepare their own notes. Notes prepared by our own handwriting makes a feeling of teaching ourselves. Sharpness, specificity and fineness are needed for our exam. For that, maximum number of revisions with our own notes will be helpful. At last time, we will be not able to read the whole textbooks of 4.5 years. So, will be really helpful along with Drona nectar notes. One-time writing will give an effect of one-time study. Notes written in our own handwriting is most dearest to our brain. It will give us a feeling of teaching the notes ourselves. Notes that we prepared once is an asset for a lifetime because syllabus of Ayurveda is not going to change. Ayurveda will always be Ayurveda. Only examination names and question patterns get changed. So it can be used for any further examinations as reference like UPSC, other state PSCs, etc. So in my opinion, it is mandatory to have notes of our own. Thank you. Pleasure in our study will give maximum perfection in our result. So, all the very best.